What's going on, guys? So we're here in Nairobi, Kenya. I'm packing my bags to head back to the United States, even though we have about 14 hours until doing so. I'm heading out, checking out of the hotel here again in Best Western in downtown Nairobi. I figured, let me just take a seat. If you have ever wanted to go to Kenya, I thought I'd put together a little vlog for you guys to see some of the essentials and of course some of things you may or may want to consider if you're ever planning on coming to visit. So let's get started. First and foremost, passport. ArtiKen sticker is not necessary, but maybe something to consider. We're currently sold out, but it's all right. Some more are coming soon on July 4th. But again, a passport, and you definitely want apply for a visa. You're going to need a visa to enter this country. They're going to want to know who's obviously entering. Not everyone can just fly anywhere in the world. So apply for a visa. You're going to have to mention what you're doing here, where you're going, why you're coming here. Maybe mention some of the hotels you'll be staying out. So if you have your itinerary put together, just attach that if you've never applied for a visa. It's pretty simple, but you're going to need a visa, a passport, and that's some must-have. So, some things to consider is having the Kenya Shillings is the country's currency. So you can either get this ahead of time or you can pick it up, easiest route, at the Nairobi airport, or you can pick it up at one of the international airports, whether you're flying out of, wherever you're flying out of. Some of the larger airports, Atlanta, London, Amsterdam, will definitely have it. A lot of your connecting flights into Nairobi will be a great place to pick up the Kenya shilling. Here, this is worth 50 cents in the US. I don't know if I have anything more. I'm pretty broke. Went through it all. 50 cents, $1, $1.50, and a $5 US just in case I have to get anything else. So most banks here you can just walk in, give them any US dollar, and they'll do the conversion for you. But passport, visa, some Kenya shilling, and yeah, I'm packing up right now. Books are always a good thing. It's about a 24-hour flight, anywhere from 21 to 28, depending on where you're flying. If you're coming from the US, it's a long flight. You definitely want to have some reading material. You can also have your laptop if you're willing to pay the $15 to $25 for the Wi-Fi, or if you're working offline, that's good too. But I've got my laptop. I've got some notes that we were addressing while we were here, so maybe that will be your itinerary if you're coming to visit Masai Mara, if you're coming to Hell's Gate National Park, Mombasa, Mount Kenya, Kilimanjaro is right over the border in Tanzania. A lot of people travel through Kenya and then head down that way, so that's something you can look into. Of course, Eldoret, Etan, Home of Champions, right? So, got my planner, got a little gift. Always got to pick up something small when I come here. There's a beautiful place called the Masai Market, and yeah, definitely recommend to head there. Got something as a gift, your toiletries, and yeah, let me start packing this bag up. But other than that, what else do you need? I kept it light this trip. You see, I just have a backpack in and out, one pair of shoes. Maybe not recommended if you're coming here and trying to get a lot of working out in, trying to get the running in on the dirt, clay roads. You might want to have an extra pair. All your electronics. So I'm obviously recording here on the GoPro. So got my GoPro charger, have my computer charger, have my camera. Camera charger actually was not brought because I didn't think I was going to need it. But what else do I have over there? I got my headphones. I'm sorry, I'm looking on the other side where my desk is. Headphones, cell phone charger. Also a gift from the production team. Look what these guys hooked me up with. Pretty sweet. Yeah, really excited about these, especially with the summer right around the corner. And that's about it. A couple jeans. I always want to know the climate that you're coming into. So Kenya is opposite of the USA. So our winter is their summer is our winter. So I have more jeans and jackets than I would have right now in going on June in the US, Florida. So that's about it. It's really simple. I just was here for 4 days, so for practically everything except jeans. I only brought 2 jeans, 2 shorts, a couple jackets, and that is about it. Oh, got my headphones. Gotta have this. Gotta have this. Super crucial. Super crucial. Yeah, definitely a good little headrest. That's about it, guys. So if you ever have any questions, just drop it in the comments and we'll help you out in any capacity. Definitely an amazing place to visit. Great time of the year to come visit is typically June to August, because that's when the Great Migration, if you haven't heard of it, definitely look it up. It's something that National Geographic spends a lot of time with during the those summer months because of the Great Migration through the Serengeti. Stop, look it up. It's pretty remarkable. And of course, their climate, their food, their culture, so much goes down in this amazing country, let alone continent. So definitely check it out. I'm gonna get back to packing up. I gotta meet some of the artisans here in a couple hours. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys soon.